Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss applications of determinants. In previous classes, we already learned how to expand determinant of a matrix and what are their properties. Now we discuss the importance of determinants. Mainly, determinants are used to find area of a triangle or to solve a system of equations. First, we discuss how to find area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. In coordinate system, we already learned how to find area of a triangle. What is the formula to find area of a triangle? The area of a triangle with the vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. We know this formula. This is the formula to find area of a triangle with the vertices x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Now we find area of the triangle by using determinants also. We write this as, in determinant form it as first column x1, x2, x3, second column y1, y2, y3, third column is taken as 1. We may write this area in terms of determinants in this form. Now we see the expansion of this determinant. If you expand the first column, what we get? X1 into determinant of this y2 1, y3 1 minus x2 into, if you expand the first column, x2 into, you delete that row and column y1 1, y3 1 plus x3 into determinant of, you delete third row and first column, we get y1 1, y2 1. Now you expand this. On expanding, you get x1 into y2 minus y3 minus x2 into y1 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. See, this and this is same. x1 into y2 minus y3. If you take minus common here, we get plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. In this way we find area of the triangle by expanding this determinant also. In this way we find the area of the triangle from the determinants. Now we do one problem, how to find the area of a triangle. First problem, find the area of a triangle with the vertices A 2, 7, B 1, 1, C 10, 8. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 8. Given vertices are A 2, 7, B 1, 1, C 10, 8. Let the vertices be taken as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now area of the triangle ABC, this is equal to, from the determinant, area of the triangle is half into determinant of first column x1, x2, x3, second column y1, y2, y3, third column 1, 1, 1. Now substitute these values in this determinant. 1 by 2 into the first column is 2, 1, 10, second column 7, 1, 8, third column 1, 1, 1. Now we expand this determinant. This is 1 by 2 into, you may expand first column or first row also. If you expand first row, what we get? 2 into, you delete first row and first column, determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, 1 minus 8 minus 7 into, you delete first row and second column, determinant of that 2 by 2 matrix, 1 minus 10 plus 1 into, you delete first row and third column, determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, 8 minus 10 1 by 2 into 1 minus 8 minus 7 into 2 minus 14, 1 minus 10 minus 9 into minus 7 plus 63, 8 minus 10 minus 2, 63 minus 2, 61, 61 minus 14, 4 47 by 2. Area is always represented in square units. So area of the triangle is 47 by 2 square units. Next, second problem. Show that the points A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A, C comma A plus B are collinear. We know from geometry, when 3 points are said to be collinear, if area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. Now we equate area of this triangle to 0. What is the formula to find area of triangle ABC? From determinants 1 by 2 into determinant of first column x1, x2, x3, second column y1, y2, y3, third column 1, 1, 1. This is taken as x1, y1, x2, y2, and it is x3, y3. Now substitute these values in this determinant. That is equal to 1 by 2 into first column A, B, C. Second column B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B. Third column 1, 1, 1. Now without expanding this determinant, we can find the determinant value by using the properties of determinants. Now add second column to first column. Now first column is changed as C1 plus C2. Add second column to first column. The first column becomes A plus B plus C, B plus C plus A, C plus A plus B. There is no change in second column. Now in first column all the elements are same. What is that element? A plus B plus C. Now we take A plus B plus C common from first column. Then that first column becomes 1 by 2 into, we take A plus B plus C common from first column. You get A plus B plus C into first column 1, 1, 1. Second column B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B. Third column 1, 1, 1. Now we observe the first column and third column are identical. First column and third column are same. If any two rows or two columns are identical, then its determinant value is 0. So this is 1 by 2 into A plus B plus C into 0. So this is equal to 0. Write the property. Since if two columns are identical, then a determinant value is equal to 0. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. If area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0, then the points A, B, C are said to be collinear. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear. Now see, in this problem, find the equation of the line joining 2 points 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. We already know how to find equation of the line joining 2 points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 from geometry, from straight lines. But here, by using determinants, we discuss how to find the equation of the line joining these 2 points. Let the points be A and B. Let A 1, 2 and B 3, 6. Let P x, y be any point on the line AB. Here we want to find equation of the line joining 2 points A and B. On this line, you take another point P x, y. Now these 3 points A, B, P are collinear. They lie on a same line. If 3 points are collinear, then area of the triangle formed by these points is 0. Now the points P, A, B are collinear. If 3 points are collinear, then area of the triangle formed by those points PAB is equal to 0. Now from determinants, what is the formula to find area of the triangle? 1/2 into a determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1, that is equal to 0. 1/2 into P is taken as x1, y1, it is x2, y2 and it is x3, y3. In first column we get x, 1, 3. In second column we get y, 2, 6. Third column 1, 1, 1, that is equal to 0. Now we expand the determinant. 1/2 into x into 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Take this 1/2 to right hand side, that becomes 0. X into minus 4 minus y into minus 2 plus 0, that is equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 2y is equal to 0, or 2y is equal to 4x, or y is equal to 2x. This is the equation of the line joining these 2 points A and B. In this way, by using determinants, we can find equation of the line joining any 2 points. Now write this problem. Find the value of k if area of the triangle is 4 units and the vertices are k, 0, 4, 0, 0, 2. Here vertices of a triangle are given. area of the triangle is also given, then find this unknown value k. Take the vertices as A, B, C. Find area of the triangle ABC. Equating area of the triangle to 4. From that you get the value of k. Take the vertices as A, B, C. Let A k comma 0, B 4 comma 0, C 0 comma 2. Given area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 square units. That is given in this problem. Area of the triangle is equal to 4 square units. From determinants, what is the formula to find area of the triangle? 1 by 2 into determinant of the first column x1, x2, x3, second column y1, y2, y3, third column 1, 1, 1. This is equal to 4. 1 by 2 into, take the vertices as x1, y1, b x2, y2 and c x3, y3. Substitute the values here. The first column is k 4 0, second column 0 0 2, third column 1 1 1. This is equal to 4. Take this 1 by 2 to right hand side, that becomes 4 into 2, 8. You expand the determinant k into 0 minus 2 minus 0 into 4 minus 0 plus 1 into 8 minus 0 is equal to 1 by 2 into 4, that is 8. Minus 2k, 0 into anything 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Now take 2 common from LHS. What we get? Minus k plus 4 is equal to 4. This 2 and this 2 cancels 4 times. You get minus k plus 4 is equal to 4. But area of the triangle is the absolute value of the determinant. Area of triangle is absolute value of determinant. Absolute value means modulus value. So that implies mod minus k plus 4 is equal to 4. If you remove the modulus in LHS, what we get? Minus k plus 4 is equal to plus or minus 4. Now we take plus 4 and we take minus 4 both. Minus k plus 4 is equal to plus 4. That implies k value is 0. We take minus sign. Minus k plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Minus k is equal to minus 8. So k is equal to 8. Therefore, the value of k is either 0 or 8. In this way, if area of the triangle is given, then you find the unknown value in the vertices.